Alright, about to install this Z1 Undershroud aluminum one for the all-wheel drive. And do it real quick while I got time. Let's do a quick unboxing. So I guess it's 3 different pieces in it. I got number 877 or whatever that means. Probably a quality control thing. Alright, let's see what's in this box. Y'all to see my new address. Alright. Let's see what's in here. Hold on, I gotta. Alright. I'll just edit that out. Alright, I'll edit that part out. Alright. Nicely packaged as always. Whenever you get something from Z1. Wow, brand new hardware. Cool. Alright. Z1 Motorsports sticker. I'll just add this to my collection. This is the front piece. And this is for the oil cooler for the Red Sports. One of the reasons why I picked this one. More on that later. This looks to be the door for the oil drain. Supposed to be really the reason why people buying this. This is pretty rigid. I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, pretty rigid. Look at that. See how it's barely flexing, under its own weight? This is pretty rigid and it's pretty thick. I know somebody asked about weight. I saw that on the forum. People ask how much does it weigh. Yeah, it seems it's definitely gonna weigh more than the plastic one, but that's what you expect going to this. You want something that actually gonna give some level of protection to the bottom of your car, especially that weak ass oil pan we got. All right, this is pretty thick also. Oh, how nice the Z1 thing there. See the thickness of that? Wow, that actually might protect something. I'm actually a little surprised by that. I thought it would be thinner. Yeah, I actually thought that would be thinner. I like that it added the extra vents to help get some of that heat coming from, especially by those downpipes. It gets all stuck up under your engine bay. So, one more way for it to go out, I'll take it. But that's the unboxing. 3 pieces, some stickers, and all new hardware to go with it. What I don't see yet is instructions. Even though I don't think you need instructions for this, I think it's pretty self-explanatory, but they do have 2 things I am not sure about. I don't know what that is for. It's not obvious, and I know what these are, but I just don't know where these are gonna go. But I guess I'll see very quickly, I guess. I'm sure there's probably some instruction online. I'll let you know if I actually need the instructions. Yes, this is self-explanatory. But anyway, that's the Z1 all-wheel drive Undershroud. I think it will actually protect against something. It's thicker than I thought it was going to be, more rigid than I thought it was going to be. And I love the vents. And I especially love that they have that particular vent there because I have a red sport. That was one of the reasons why I didn't pull the trigger on any other Undershroud that was available. It's because I need that front mount oil cooler to actually still be vented and not get blocked. All right, y'all. Give y'all a little sneak peek. It's gonna be my new base of operation later on. This is just the other garage. Working in this garage until that's ready. So we getting there. So that's why y'all haven't seen videos from me. But anyway, that's the unboxing of the Undershroud. I'll probably do one combined video with this, with the unboxing and the install and a quick review. All right, y'all.